Hello everyone. So today we will study Green's theorem. So first of all, what is the statement of Green's theorem? If px, y and qx, y are continuous functions of x and y having continuous first partial derivatives defined in a region R in the xy plane bounded by a simple closed curve, then it is given by, this is the Green's theorem, that is integral p dx plus q dy, that is equal to double integral over the given region, that is into del q by del x minus del p by del y into dx by dy. Okay, so this is the main formula of Green's theorem. Okay, in the question you will be given functions px, y and q of x, y, and from that you have to solve this. Okay, in the any given region. And it is important to note that Green's theorem is the relation between single and double integrals. You can see that it is the relation between single and double integrals. Okay, so now let us solve the examples of Green's theorem. Example 1. Using Green's theorem, evaluate integral xy minus x square into dx plus x square y dy along the closed curve C formed by y equal to 0, x equal to 1 and y equal to x. Now first of all, you can see that here what is given? આ ફોર્મ આપેલું છે, જુઓ, integral, this is our p dx plus q dy. So we got p and q and we will do the double integral. But what will be the limit? તો લિમિટ ડિસાઇડ કરવા માટે આપણે એનો ગ્રાફ ડ્રો કરવો પડશે. You all know how to draw because in the semester 1 in the multiple integrals you have already studied. So let us draw the graph first. So this is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Okay? And what is given? Y equal to x and x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means અહીંયા આવશે x equal to 1. Y equal to 0 and y equal to x means it will be like this. Y equal to x. And if x is equal to 1, then y will be also equal to 1 because y equal to x. So here we will get 1, 1. Okay? And here we have origin 0, 0. So now if we take horizontal strip here, then what we will get? From this we can get the limit. We will get the limit of x, that is x ની લિમિટ શું મળશે આપણને? y equal to x છે એટલે y to 1 મળશે અને y ની લિમિટ શું મળશે? 0 થી 1. Okay? So now let us solve it. First of all આપણે આમાંથી લખીએ તો p શું છે? xy minus x square અને q શું છે? x square y. ઓકે, હવે શું ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું છે? જો del q by del x minus del p by del y. Del q by del x is equal to, આનું શું થશે? partial differentiation, that is 2xy. ઓકે, with respect to x કરવાનું છે. અને del p by del y શું થશે? with respect to y કરીએ તો ખાલી શું વધશે? x. So we got del q by del x minus del p by del y. એ આપણને શું મળશે? 2xy minus x. ઓકે, સો આપણને આ ટર્મ છે એ મળી ગઈ છે. હવે એનું આપણે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવાનું છે, ડબલ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરવાનું છે. ઓકે, સો લેટ અસ ડુ ધ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન નાઉ. So first of all, by Green's theorem, we are writing the Green's theorem first. That is equal to double integral of del q by del x minus del p by del y. પણ del q by del x minus del p by del y શું મળ્યું છે? 2xy minus x. તો એ આપણે અહીંયા પુટ કરી દઈએ તો તમને શું મળશે? 2xy minus x dx dy. But I can take x term common, so I will get 2y minus 1 dx dy. Okay, x એટલા માટે કોમન લીધું કે આ જે dx વાળી ટર્મ છે એનું પહેલા કરી શકીએ ઇઝીલી, અને y ટર્મ છે એ પણ અલગ પાડી શકીએ. હવે લિમિટ્સ છે જુઓ, આ ડાયાગ્રામ પરથી આપણે લિમિટ છે x ની શું મળે છે, y to 1. x ની લિમિટ આપણને y to 1 મળશે, અને y ની લિમિટ આપણને શું મળે છે, 0 to 1. Okay, so here we will get 0 to 1. So we got both the limits. Now just we have to do the double integration and we will get the answer. So first of all આપણે x ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં કરીએ તો શું થશે, 0 to 1 છે એ આપણે અહીંયા રાખીએ, અને 2y minus 1 જે છે એ આપણે આમનામ રાખીએ, અને x નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન શું થશે, x square by 2, અને એમાં આપણે લિમિટ પુટ કરીએ, x ની લિમિટ શું છે, y to 1. Okay, and then dy. So આપણે લિમિટ પુટ કરશું તો આપણને આવું મળશે, 1/2 minus y square by 2. ઓકે, બટ હું 1/2 બહાર લઈ લઉં, 2 કોમન લઈ લઉં, 1/2, તો આપણને આવું મળશે 0 to 1 2y minus 1 into 1 minus y square. હવે આ બંનેનું મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરી નાખીએ તો આપણને શું મળશે, 1/2 0 to 1 2y minus 2y cube minus 1 plus y square dy. Now we have to integrate it with respect to y. તો આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન y ના રિસ્પેક્ટમાં ઇઝીલી થઈ જશે. That will be y square નું શું થશે, 2y square by 2, but 2 will get cancelled. Again here it will be 2y4 by 4 minus y plus y cube by 3. Again this will get cancelled, so here we will get y raised to 4 by 2. Now we will put the limit, that is from 0 to 1, then here we will get 1 minus 1/2 minus 1 plus 1/3, and if you will solve it you will get minus 1/12. So this is the final answer which we got by using Green's theorem in the given region. Okay. Example 2. Use Green's theorem in a plane to evaluate the given integral 2x minus y square into dx plus x square plus y square dy, where C is the boundary in the xy plane of the area enclosed by the x-axis, and the semicircle is given, that is x square plus y square equal to 1 in the upper half xy plane. Okay, so here what is given? Semicircle. So you can draw like this, and the given region is x square plus y square equal to 1. Upper half plane, xy એને કીધું છે કે xy plane નો upper half plane માં semicircle draw કરવાનું છે. So you have to draw this diagram, and you can easily draw it from the given question. Okay. Now what is given? 2x minus y square dx plus x square plus y square dy. It means કે આ જે ટર્મ છે p છે અને આ જે ટર્મ છે q છે, according to Green's theorem. So we can easily find del q by del x and del p by del y. Okay. So del q by del x છે એ શું થશે? It will be 2x, and here del p by del y will be 2y. So we got the value of del q by del x minus del p by del y. શું મળે છે આપણને? 2x minus 2y. Okay. Sorry, it is minus 2y. આનું partial derivative શું થશે? Minus 2y. So here we will get 2x plus 2y. Okay. Now by Green's theorem, now we will, હવે આપણને આ વેલ્યુ મળી ગઈ છે, so we will put in the Green's theorem. So by Green's theorem, that is Green's theorem પ્રમાણે આપણે પુટ કરીએ. What was our Green's theorem? p dx plus q dy equal to double integral over the given region into del q by del x minus del p by del y into dx dy. So what we will get here? Double integral આપણને આની વેલ્યુ શું મળી છે? That is 2x plus 2y into dx dy. But whenever it is given, જ્યારે પણ આપણને x square plus y square equal to 1 એટલે કે જ્યારે સર્ક્યુલર રિજન આપેલું હોય તો ત્યારે આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? x ની જગ્યાએ cos theta અને y ની જગ્યાએ sin theta પુટ કરીએ છીએ. So here what we will get if I take 2 common and x ની જગ્યાએ હું r cos theta પુટ કરવું પડશે. Semicircle is there, so here we have to write r cos theta plus r sin theta into r dr d theta. You have already studied this concept in the multiple integrals, so I think you know very well. Okay, and આમાં લિમિટ શું આવશે? Limit will be 0 to 1 and 0 to pi. x ની લિમિટ શું થશે? r ની લિમિટ શું થશે? 0 to 1 અને થીટા ની લિમિટ શું થશે? થીટા જુઓ ક્યાં છે? 0 to pi. અહીંયા પાઈ બાય 2 હોય તો આપણને સેમી સર્કલ એટલે કે થીટાનો રીજન શું છે? 0 to pi. So here we got 0 to pi અને r ની લિમિટ છે 0 થી 1. Okay, so now let us solve it. Then what we will get? 2 અને હું આ બંને r છે એને સાથે લઈ લઉં. Then it will be, if I take r common from here, જો આવી રીતના લખીએ cos theta plus sin theta અને r તો છે જ આપણી પાસે, તો આ બંને r નું with respect to r derivation કરીએ તો r square નું શું થાય? r cube by 3 થાય. It will be r cube by 3. And what is the limit of r? That is 0 to 1. Okay, so here we got sin theta. Why sin theta? Because cos theta નું integration શું થશે? sin theta. And sin theta નું શું થશે? minus cos theta. અને એમાં પણ આપણે theta ની લિમિટ પુટ કરી દઈએ, that is 0 to pi. So if we will put both the limits here, first of all you put this limit here and this limit here, and multiplying it we will get the answer 4 by 3. Okay, so this is the answer which we got by using Green's theorem. Example 3. Use Green's theorem to evaluate the given integral x square y dx plus y cube dy, where c is the closed path formed by y equal to x and y equal to x cube from 0, 0 to 1, 1. Okay, so y equal to x cube, પહેલા તો આપણે આ એક્સિસ ડ્રો કરીએ. y equal to x એટલે આ લાઈન સીધી આવશે y equal to x ની, અને y equal to x cube means it will be this region. Okay, so you can easily draw the diagram. Now here we will get 1, 1 and here we have 0, 0. And if we take the vertical axis, then we will get the limits. You all know how to take the limits because in multiple integrals in the semester 1 you have already studied. Okay, see now what is given? x square y dx plus y cube dy. It means કે આ તમારું શું થશે? p અને આ શું થશે? q. dx વાળી ટર્મ p થશે અને dy વાળી ટર્મ q થશે. So we got p equal to x square y and q equal to y cube. So now we can easily find del cube by del x and del p by del x. Del q by del x શું થશે? Here we don't have any x term, so it will be 0. And del p by del x શું થશે? It will be x square. Okay, so del q by del x minus del p by del x will be minus x square. Okay, કેમ કે y છે એનું 1 થશે તો વચ્ચે શું? x square. અને અહીંયા આપણે પુટ કરીએ તો 0 minus x square, that is minus x square. Okay, now by using Green's theorem, that is integral p dx plus q dy, that is equal to the limits, and what we got? The term here that we have to put here, so minus x square into dy dx. And the limit of y is from x cube to x and limit of x is from 0 to 1. You know how to find the limits. Okay, so first of all we will do the integration with respect to y. So y will be, here y is not there, so it will be y only, and x cube, putting the limit from x cube to x in this term, then we will get x minus x cube, પછી x square જે છે એ તો બહાર હતું જ તે, એ બંનેનું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન કરશું તો આપણને આવું મળશે, and then putting the limit of x ની લિમિટ શું છે 0 to 1. So what we will get 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, and that is equal to minus 1 by 12. So this is the answer which you got by using Green's theorem for this given region. Okay, so now we will solve the last example of today's lecture. So in this way you can easily solve the examples of Green's theorem if you know how to find the limits, and if you know the concept of multiple integral very well, you can easily solve the examples of Green's theorem. Okay, so example 4, use Green's theorem to evaluate the integral y square dx plus x square dy where the triangle bounded by x equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So you will get such type of diagram as the triangle is given. This is our y-axis and this is our x-axis. Okay, so triangle will be like this. That is, here we have y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 1. So this is that line. Now if we take the vertical strips here, then we can easily get the limits. So you have p equal to y square and q equal to x square. So you can easily find del q by del x and del p by del y. So what will be del q by del x? 2x, and del p by del y will be 2y. So we got the value of del q by del x minus del p by del y. That is what? 2x minus 2y. Okay, now putting the limits in the integral, what we will get? 2x minus 2y into dx dy. So what will be the limit of x? Limit of x will be 0 to 1 minus y. And limit of y will be 0 to 1. Okay. So now solving this equation, we will get 0 to 1. First of all, we will integrate it with respect to x. Then I will get x square by 2x square by 2, but 2 will get cancelled, and here we will get 2xy. Okay, here we will get 2xy. And we will put the limit of x. What is the limit of x? 0 to 1 minus y. Okay, into dy. So now if we put the limit here, then we will get 1 minus y square minus 2y into 1 minus y dy. Okay. Now what we will do? We will integrate this term with respect to y. So we will get 1 minus y whole raised to cube by 3 minus y square by 2, and 2 will get cancelled. ત્યાં બંનેને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરશું તો શું મળશે? minus 2y plus 2y square. તો 2y નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન શું થશે? 2y square by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So here we will get minus y square plus 2y cube by 3. And limit will be from 0 to 1, and here minus y nu shu thashe? Minus 1. So we will get like this, minus 1 minus y cube by minus y square plus 2y cube by 3, and then putting the limit 0 to 1, we will get minus 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and that is 0. So here we got the answer 0. So I hope you understood the concept of Green's theorem very well. There are 2 more theorems, and we will see the concept of that theorems in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you everyone.